Chapter 1 GST Goods and Service Tax. Every government, central or state government, needs money for development, welfare, salaries, etc. Government collect money, revenue by levying tax within their respective territories. In India, we have two types of taxes. First, direct tax are those levied on income of individual or organization, example income tax and corporate tax. Second, indirect tax are those paid by consumer or organization when they buy goods or services or both. Dealer. A dealer is a person who buys goods, services for resale. Cost price. Price at which trader buys goods. List price or marked price. Price at which the article is marked. Discount. To sell out old stock or for some reason shopkeeper offers discount. Calculated discount is always calculated on list price. Selling price. The price at which a trader sells good with discount, if any. Therefore, selling price will be list price minus discount. If there is no discount, selling price will be the list price. Tax is calculated on the sale price, that is marked price minus discount. Therefore, tax will be rate of tax into sale price. GST, Goods and Service Tax. 1st July 2017 onwards, the Government of India has abolished all indirect taxes and introduced a new indirect tax called GST. One nation, one tax was the aim of the government in implementing GST. Goods means every kind of movable thing or property. Goods does not include money and securities, means shares, bonds, etc. Service means any other than money, goods and security. Service includes activity relating to the use of money, example banking service. GST is destination based consumption tax, means place of consumption will decide who will collect tax, that is state government, central government or both. GST is applicable on every type of movement of goods and services. GST comprises of first central GST, that is CGST, collected by central government for the intra-state within same state transaction of goods or services. CGST beneficiary is the central government. State GST, that is SGST, or Union Territory GST, UGST, is collected by state or union territory government for intra-state, union or union territory, means inside the same territory, on transaction of goods or services. Integrated GST, that is IGST, which is levied by central government for interstate, one state to another, transaction or movement of goods and services. So there are three types of GST: CGST, central government; SGST or UGST, state government for intrastate; IGST for interstate. The tax collected on the intrastate, that is same state movement of goods and services, is to be shared equally by central government and the state government. If the rate of GST is 18%, then CGST will be 9%, central government tax; state government or union territory will be 9%, half of this. So 50-50% they will share the tax. In case of interstate, that is from one state to another, movement of goods or services, the seller collects IGST from the buyer and deposit it with the central government. Therefore, so if the rate of GST is 18%, IGST will be collected for interstate movements of goods and services, which will be 18%. Exercise 1A. First sum. For the following transaction within Delhi, fill in the blanks to find the amount of bill. MRP rupees 12,000. Discount percent 30% discount. GST 18%. Discount is 30%. So what is the total discount? Is equals to 30% of 12,000. That is 30 upon 100 into 12,000. Okay, 0 cancel. 120 into 30 is 3,600. Selling price, that is discounted price, is equal to 12,000 minus 3,600. That is equals to rupees 8,400. Within the same state, so there will be CGST, half of 18%, that is 9% of 8,400. To remove percent, divide by 100. So 9 upon 100 into 8,400. That is 756. SGST, half of GST, the 9% of 8,400. That is equals to 9 upon 100 into 8,400 is equals to rupees 756. CGST, SGST will be the same. IGST will be 0. Amount of bill, selling price 8,400 plus CGST 756 plus SGST 756. Total is rupees 9,912. Second sum. For the following transaction from Delhi to Jaipur, fill in the blank to find the amount of bill. MRP rupees 50,000, discount 20%, GST 28%. Therefore, discount is equals to 20% of MRP, that is 50,000, 20 upon 100 into 50,000. Did the calculation? 10,000. Therefore, selling price will be 50,000 minus 10,000, 40,000. CGST 0, SGST 0, IGST because it is interstate, that is 28% of 40,000, that is equals to 28 upon 100 into 40,000. 28 into 400 is 11,200. Amount of bill, selling price plus IGST 40,000 plus 11,200, that is equals to 51,200.